British Columbia, big, bold, beautiful. Unparalleled scenery awaits the paddler along its island shores, deep inlets, and pristine beaches. Traversing this coast under your own power, riding the swell, pushing through the fog, or basking in the sunlight is life-changing. It can etch your soul and spirit with a sense of joy and appreciation. You will realize your insignificance and importance all at once. BC Marine Trails has the extraordinary opportunity to enable all paddlers to experience the magnificence of this coast. Our mission is to connect the entire British Columbia coastline through marine routes and land sites, preserving the right for paddlers to safely navigate these waters. Collaborating with First Nations and stakeholders will help accomplish our mission, extending the ancient tradition of coastal First Nations and inviting all paddlers to become explorers and stewards of these lands. What would happen if we did nothing? Our coastlines could end up being connected by industrial and commercial enterprises instead of endless beaches and wilderness. Instead, let's create a model for the rest of the world to follow. The benefits to all stakeholders and recipients will be immense, environmentally, spiritually, and economically. It's going to take dedication, but we know it can be done. The opportunity is ours.